iGomora neSodoma, the first genocide in the Bible. Yangithanda. So the story begins. God is working with two angels, yabo. Bandlula la ku-Abraham, yabo. So as they're passing by ku-Abraham, God informs Abraham ukuthi they're going to a Sodoma ngoba abantu baseSodoma, their sins, like they're too heavy for him, yabo. So he has to cleanse them of their sins. Yangithanda. So Abraham attempts to plead with God about what happens if you find 50 righteous people, yabo. Then God says, if I find 50 righteous people, so I'll spare Sodom. Yangithanda. Athini Abraham, what happens if you find 40 righteous people? Yangithanda. Athini God if I find 40 righteous people, I'll spare Sodom. Yangithanda. Go back and forth until bafike ku-10. Yangithanda. Athi God, if I find 10 righteous people, I'll spare Sodom. Yangithanda. So the two angels proceed by a Sodom, yabo. Mara before bafike eSodom, babe in human form, babe as men. Yangithanda. So obvious, uma bafika eSodoma, bahlangane noLot, yabo. uLot is umshana ka-Abraham. Yangithanda. So bahlangana noLot, uLot aba invited to his chambers, yabo, to his house, yabo. Bangene vele kuLot, and uLot offers them dinner, yabo, as he should. So as la ndaba, okay, so eSodoma, njengoba uGod ashilo these people ama-sins abo are too heavy, yangithona, are too heavy. These people are committing isodomy, and the sodomy is penetration from behind, yangithona. And the thing like uGod bekangayincanya feel, yabo. Mara not just sodomy, bakhomisa nje ezinye izinto ezi-disgusting, yabo. And on the night, these two angels, mara in the form of men, yabo. And the night these two men bebasendlini kaLot, the entire community of Sodom, from boys to abantu abadala, went to endlini kaLot, and they surrounded the house, and they demanded ukuthi uLot akakhiphe these two men so they can have sexual relations nabo. And so these people wanted to have sexual relations nengilosi. Yangithola. So uLot angavumi vele but azama ukuphila nalabantu uthi I'll give you my two daughters, yabo, and my two daughters have never had sexual relations with any man. Yangithola. La madoda lanka asodomas in the entire community angavumi ukuthi no baba, we want these two men. Yangithola. So one of the angels amongst those men now, those two men, obviously an angel. So one of the angels iphuma and blind these people, yabo. Itshela uLot ukuthi ayi Lot, we are here on a mission, and our mission is ukuthi soyibhubhisa le ndawo, yangithola, because abantu bakule ndawo le are evil, bangcolile nje abekho right, yangithola. Then bamtshela uLot ukuthi Lot, you have to leave with your wife and your family, yangithola. Then uLot ke athathe, okay, uLot aqale hesitate kancane, kungabi easy ukuthi ahambe ashiye like ikhaya lakhe elisha, which is eSodom, yabo. Mara eventually zimkhiphe ingelosi vele zimbeke far away, yabo. Mara before zishisa iSodoma, zimtshele ukuthi as you living here, as uvaya la, ungabheki emuva, you must not look back, yangithola. Hamba ungabheki emuva, yangithola. Hayi uLot avume. So it's Lot, his two daughters and his wife, yangithola, bavume vele. Mara as they're still living, umfazi kaLot abheke emuva, yangithola, not heeding like i-warning of these angels. And then makabheke emuva, she turned to salt, yangithola. And uLot proceeds, uLot ke akazingeni uvele amshiye, yangithola, leaves his wife, proceeds with two of his daughters to the mountains, yabo. Yabona ke, on the mountains is where something a bit disturbing yenzeke khona, yangithola. So when balaphaya in the mountains, so it's Lot and his two daughters, yabo. So his two daughters like bayenza plan, yabo, ukuthi we've never had any sexual relations and we are the only last people, angazi ukuthi emhlabeni or in that area, yangithola. Mara we are the only people abasele, and we have to create some offsprings, yangithola. So they plot ukuthi they are going to get their father drunk, and when their father Lot is drunk, they are going to sexually, yangithola. So obviously on the first night they pour him a glass of wine like the entire day, and they ensure that he's drunk. And when Ulot is drunk, they then the oldest on the first night takes her turn Ulot, and have sexual relations with her father. On the second night, the same thing. They get him drunk, and the youngest has sexual relations with her father. And eventually both of them are pregnant and they have kids. Obviously dating is off-putting, yabo, is off, yabo. So mara some Christians bayasho ukuthi is a sign ukuthi God was not supposed to spare uLot, because like uLot njengoba benabantwana from endaweni engcolile and raised abantwana endaweni of sin, it is inherent ukuthi abantwana bakhe nabo bazokhula with the idea of sin, nabo basine nabo ngendlela abasine ngayo vele, yangithola. So like labo bantu to be saved and later on commit dating le abayenzile is a demonstration ukuthi is a demonstration ukuthi sin is inherent, yabo, and not sometimes people do not deserve mercy, yangithola. It was necessary ukuthi when God meka cleana iSodoma neGomora ensure ukuthi wonke umuntu olaphaya who was tainted by leyo sin leyo bekumele aphelele khona laphaya, yangithola. Mara ke